The York YZ chiller delivers real-world energy savings by using industry-leading technology to reduce annual operating costs. A recent performance demonstration shows how the chiller can take advantage of low entering condenser water temperatures and provide exceptional efficiency during low-lift operation. Usually, water enters the condenser at 29 degrees Celsius and leaves the evaporator at 7 degrees Celsius. However, these conditions occur in less than 2% of a chiller's operating life. The York YZ chiller is capable of performing well beyond these temperatures. It can handle higher entering condenser water temperatures when outdoor conditions are less than optimal. But most importantly, it is optimized to perform off-design when condenser water temperatures are much lower than the design specification, such as in cold winter climates. It does this even when the entering condenser water temperature is lower than the chilled water leaving temperature. This exceptional capability is called inverted operation, and it does this while maintaining stable operations and while providing the highest energy performance in the chiller industry. The ability to run at low lift down to inverted operation is possible because of York's patented design and advanced compressor technology. This technology uses a suspended rotor and magnetic bearings, rather than the traditional mechanical components. This avoids the need for lubrication with oil or refrigerants, which are less effective at lower operating temperatures. This means the chiller can operate without temperature limitations and makes low-lift operation possible, resulting in a wide operating map. But do the computer simulations stand up to a real-world test? This York YZ chiller is designed to provide 2.4 megawatts at 12.5 to 7 degrees Celsius for chilled water and at 29 to 34 degrees Celsius for condenser water. During the test, the chiller operated at 50% load. The condenser water inlet temperature was around 10 degrees Celsius, the lowest possible because of weather conditions at the lab. The nominal water flows in both the evaporator and the condenser were held constant to design to maintain the lowest temperature differential. Multiple tests were performed to record the coldest entering condenser water temperature possible, down to 9.6 degrees Celsius. The chiller achieved coefficient of performance values that were even better than expected based on the performance model simulated with AHRI certified software. When operated in low temperatures, the York YZ chiller is the best solution wherever critical applications, medium to high cooling load, and outstanding performance are needed, such as at airports, healthcare facilities, data centers, process and manufacturing operations, and many more. The York YZ chiller's low-lift and inverted operation capabilities also mean economizers for free cooling can be replaced. The YZ chiller's lubrication-free compressor and its operating flexibility across a wide range of temperatures result in the lowest possible electricity costs and reduced maintenance expenses. York technology also makes the YZ chiller an environmentally efficient solution by minimizing both direct emissions associated with refrigerants and indirect emissions associated with energy consumption. While Johnson Controls can't control the weather, the York YZ chiller can accommodate any operating condition, even those that can't be controlled.